Hello student. Now continue with exercise 4.6. Exercise 4.6 question number 1 is given. Find the LCM of the following numbers using the common multiple method. We can solve this question by using common multiple method. Okay. Question number 1A is given 5 and 9. Okay, so we have to solve by common multiple method. So simply we will start multiples of 5. Multiples of 5. What we have to write here? Multiples of 5. So you have to write the 5 table. 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10, 5 3s are 15, 5 4s are 20, 5 5s are 25, 5 6s are 30, 5 7s are 35, 5 8s are 40, 5 9s are 45, 5 10s are 50, 5 11s are 55. Up to here we will write. Now same multiple of 9 table. 9 1s are 9, 9 2s are 18, 9 3s are 27, 9 4s are 36, 9 5s are 45, 9 6s are 54, 9 7s are 63, 9 7s are 63, 9 8s are 72, 9 9s are 81, 9 10s are 90, 9 11s are 99. We will write here. Now in this table we will find common multiple number. So common multiple is here. Here is 45 is given, here is 45. So you have to write LCM of 5, 9 is equal to 45 is your correct answer. Understood? One more question I have to solve, question number E. Okay, we can use two method also. So this one question I have to solve another method. 144, 612 and 204. In this question we are using the LCM method. 144, 612, 204. We can go with the 2 table. 2 7s are 14, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 2 6s are 12, 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 2 6s are 12, 2 1s are 2, 2 5s are 10, 2 3s are 6, 2 5s are 10, 2 1s are 2. Okay, again 2 table. 2 1s are 2, 2 8s are 16. It is not possible. Same we will write. Again 2 table. 2 9s are 18, 153, 51. Now go with the 3 table. 3 3s are 9, 3 5s are 15, 3 1s are 3. Then 3 1s are 3, 3 7s are 21. Again we will go with the 3 table. 3 1s are 3, 3 1s are 3, 3 7s are 21, 17. 17 will be divided with the only 17. So 17 table. Okay. Now we will write the LCM is equal to 2 multiply with 2 multiply with 2 multiply with 2 multiply with 3 multiply with 3 into 17 multiply with 1. If you multiply, then your answer will be 2448 is your correct answer. So two process there, as you wish what process you have to apply yourself. Next question, question number 2. Question number 2, which is given, find the LCM of the following numbers using the prime factorization method. Question number 2, A number I have to solve here, 4, 6 and 10. Okay, solution 4, 2 multiply with 2, 4, 6, 2 multiply with 3 and 10, 2 multiply with 5. So in this question what we will do? What we will do in this question? In this question we will write LCM is equal to this 2 will common, which is common factor. So we will write the common factor 2. Okay. Now which one is the single digit given? There is no pair. So we will write same to same. Like 2, there is no pair in these two numbers, so simply you will write 2 also. 3 no pair, so simply write 3 also. 5 also alone, so write it 5. Now after that you will be multiplied. 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12, 12 5s are 60 is your correct answer. Understood? Now one more question I have to solve. Question number 2, E number. E number I have to solve. 45, 75 and 100. Okay. 45 we will find the prime factorization. So 3 5s are 15. Wait a second. Simply we will write 3 3s are 9, 9 5s are 45. Okay. Now 75, 3 5s are 15, 3 5s are 15, 15 5s are 75. Okay. Now 100, 2 5s are 10, 10 2s are 20, 25, 20, 25s are 100. 2 5s are 10, 10 2s are 20, 20 multiply with 500. Okay. Now LCM you will write here LCM. So in this number first of all we will find the common factor. So common factor is here this 5. We will write one time. Okay. Now this 2 3 are given, so we will write one time more 3. Now next is given 2 5 are given, so we will write one time only. Now 3 is single, 2 is single, 2 is single. Simply we will write 3, 2 and 2. Remember it. If common factor given, then one time write. If 2 pair are given, then only one time you have to write. And if number are alone, simply you have to write. 5 3 is a 15, 15 5 is a 75, 75 3 is a 225, 225 2 is a 450, 452 is a 900 is your correct answer. Question number 3, which is very easy. Yesterday I taught you about division method. In this question number 3, find the LCM of the following numbers using the division method. Division method is very easy method. We can solve very easily. 3 and 27. You know what we will do? Simply we will go with the division method. Simply we will write 3 and 27. So 3 1s are 3, 3 9s are 27. Again 3 table, 3 3s are 9. Again 3 table, 3 1s are 3. Okay. After that, because here the question is given division method, so we will write LCM is equal to 3 multiply with 3 multiply with 3. 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27 is your correct answer. One more question I have to solve, question number C, which is given here 20, 40 and 50. 20, 40 and 50. Okay. So 2 table 10 times, 2 table 20 times, 2 table 25 times. Understood? Again we can go with the 2 table 5 times, 2 table 10 times and 25 not possible to divide with 2, simply write. Again we can go with the 2 table 5, it's not possible to divide, so 2 5s are 10, 25 same as well, we will write it here. Now we can go with the 5 table, 5 1s are 5, 5 1s are 5, 5 5s are 25. Again go with the 5 table. Okay, after that we will write, therefore LCM of 20, 40 and 50 is equal to 2 multiply with 2 multiply with 2 multiply with 5 multiply with 5. So 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 5s are 40, 40 5s are 200 is your correct answer. Understood? Method is very easily and you have to solve in same day. Don't go with the tomorrow or the day after tomorrow. Question number 4 is given, find the smallest number which is exactly divisible by 48, 36 and 72. In this question, first of all, we will write the required number is the LCM of 48, 36 and 72. Go with the LCM process. 2 table, 2 to the 4, 2 4 the 8, 2 1 the 2, 2 8 the 16, 2 3 the 6, 2 6 the 12. We can divide with 2. Again 2 table 12 times, 9 and 18 times. Again go with the 2 table 6 times, 9 not possible, 2 9s are 18 because 6 is given. So again 2 times, 2 3 are 6, 9 not possible. So 3 table, 3 1 is 3, 3 3 is 9, 3 3 is 9. Again go with the 3 table, 3 1 is 3, 3 1 is 3. Now LCM is equal to 2 multiply with 2 multiply with 2 multiply with 2, 3 multiply with 3. 2 2 is 4, 4 2 is 8, 8 2 is 16, 16 3 is 48, 48 3 is 144 is your correct answer. So you can go with this process. Now next question, question number 5 is given. Question number 5 is given. Find the smallest number which when divided by 24, 36, 54 and 60. 60 is given. So what we will do, the smallest number divisible by, you will write here the smallest number divisible by 24, 36, 54 and 60, okay, is the LCM. Is the LCM of that number. So go with the LCM process. 24, 36, 54, 60. 2 table 12 times, 2 table 18 times, 2 table 2 1 is 2, 2 6 is 2 2 is 4, 2 7 is 14, 2 table 30 times. Now 2 table 2 6 is 12, 2 9s are 18, 27 because not possible with divide with 2, 2 15s are. Now go with the 2 table, 2 3 is 6, 9 not possible, this 27 also not possible, 15. Now go with the 3 table, 3 1 is 3, 3 3 is 9, 3 9 is 27, 3 5 is 15. Again we can divide with the 3 table, 3 1 is 3, 3 3 is 9 and 5. Again go with the 3 table, 3 1 is 3, 5 not possible, and the last one 5, we will divide with the 5. Okay. So what we will do, therefore LCM is equal to 2 multiply with 2 multiply with 2 multiply with 3 multiply with 3 multiply with 3 multiply with 5. Okay. Now you have to multiply. 2 2 is 4, 4 2 is 8, 8 3 is 24, 24 3 is again I repeat, 2 2 is 4, 4 2 is 8, 8 3 is 24, 24 3 is 72, 72 3 is 216, 216 multiply with 5. So it will be 1080. After that what we will do, in your question given, therefore the required leaves remainder as 4 in each when divided by 24, 36, 54 and 60. So you have to write, therefore the required number is 1080 plus 4. Your answer will be 1084 is your correct answer. Question number 6, which is very easy given and formula is given in your book only. The LCF and LCM. SCF is given 5. SCF is given, look at here. SCF is given 5. LCM is given 385. One of two numbers. One of two number is given 55. You have to find the other number. So you have to write here formula which is given page number 51. formula, we will find the other number. So other number formula is other number is equal to HCF multiply LCM by one of two number. One of two number. Clear? HCF is given 5, multiply with 385 by 55. First of all, we can go with the 5 table. 5 table 11 times, 5 table 5 7s are 35, 5 7s are 35 again. Now 11 table 77 is coming. So 11 1s are 11, 11 7s are 77. 5 and 7 you have to multiply. 5 multiply with 7 is equal to 35 is your correct answer. Understood? One more question. Question number 7 is given. Question number 7 is given LCM of 27 and 90. Use the LCM to find their HCF. Okay. So what we will do in this question? What we will do? We will find the LCM by prime factorization method. 27. Okay. So 27 we will write 3 multiply with 3 multiply with 3. 3 3 is 9, 9 3 is 27. 90. 90 we will go with the prime factorization method is 2 multiply with 3. Sorry. 2 multiply with 3 multiply with 3 multiply with 5. Now what we will do, eliminate the duplicate factor of two list, then multiply then once with the remaining factor of the list. Okay, see, this is the common factor, this is the also common factor. So we will let LCM of 27 and 90 is equal to 3 one times, 3 one times, then 2 single alone given, 3 also single, 5 also single. LCM of 27 and 90 is equal to 3 multiply with 3 multiply with 2 multiply with 3 multiply with 5. 3 3 is 9, 9 2 is 18, 18 3 is 54, 54 5 is 217 is your correct answer. Now the next class, only one question I given your homework, question number 8. If you have any doubt, you will ask to me in the doubt class. Next class we will conduct in doubt class. Thank you.